gilded square. Magic's floating in the air. Open books and off we go to lands that only dreamers know.
In a sunny swamp, a capybara named Carl lived by the water. He was small, furry, and brave. His friend, Ally the alligator, had big teeth and a long tail. They loved to play together. One day, Carl saw a shiny red berry on an island in the middle of the swamp.
Let's get it.
He said. Ally nodded, her eyes bright.
We can do it, Carl.
The swamp was wet and deep. Carl jumped on Ally's back.
Hold on!
Ally said. She swam fast. The water splashed. Carl giggled.
This is fun.
They got to the island. The berry was high on a bush. Carl tried to reach it. He stretched and stretched.
I can't get it.
He said. Ally had an idea.
Climb on me.
She said. Carl climbed onto Ally's head. He reached up and grabbed the berry.
Got it.
He cheered. But then the bush shook. A big frog jumped out.
Ribbit, this is my island.
It said. Carl and Ally were scared. The frog was loud.
We just want the berry.
Carl said. The frog looked mad.
That's my berry.
It croaked. Ally stepped forward.
We can share.
She said. The frog thought.
Okay,
It said.
but you must help me.
The frog needed a new home. His old one was too wet. Carl and Ally looked around. They saw a dry spot under a tree.
Here.
Carl said. The frog hopped over.
It's perfect.
He cheered. The frog gave them the red berry. Carl took a bite. It was sweet. He gave some to Ally. She liked it too.
Yum!
She said. The frog smiled.
You're nice. Want to be friends?
Yes.
Said Carl and Ally. They played all day. Carl splashed in the water. Ally swam in circles. The frog hopped and laughed. The sun went down, and the swamp glowed orange.
We did it, Ally.
Carl said.
We got the berry and made a friend.
Ally grinned.
Best day ever.
They swam back home. Carl rode on Ally's back again. The frog waved.
See you tomorrow.
He called. Carl and Ally waved back. They were happy. The swamp was full of fun, and they were ready for more adventures.